Welcome to a rock science demo. In this feature video, we'll be covering the divide all operation from the 3D Boolean toolbar. We'll be using slide 3 for this demonstration. The divide all operation allows you to divide your external volume by all possible intersecting entities to generate multiple external volume regions. The divide all operation does not require that you select geometric entities, as all applicable geometry will automatically be selected. For this demonstration, we'll be using the model of an open pit mine. This is the external entity that we will be using. We'll now import two additional surfaces. Navigate to the Import Geometry tool. You will have the option of choosing multiple file types to import geometric entities. We will be using an STL file. The surfaces should intersect the boundaries of the external volume in order for the divide all operation to succeed. You may apply material properties from the Apply Property drop-down menu. We'll be assigning the corresponding materials for each entity. If you need to include a surface that does not affect the creation of volume entities, you may change the role to construction from the Properties pane. We will be keeping it as geology for this demonstration. In order to divide all, we'll first need to set at least one volume as external. We'll select the entity called External, navigate to the Geometry toolbar, and click Set as External. We are now ready to divide all. Now, the divide all operation cut the external to create volumes from the surfaces. All possible divisions of the external volume will be generated. This concludes our demo. Please check our playlist for more videos and demos.